on Sheriff Dave.
Liga
At kadalasan napafoul sila, so siya good jumper.
is ahead by 9, 28-19. Ildefonso. Alfonso pinapatayan ni Hierro. Puts up the free again. And he scored. It's Dave. Ildefonso. Sidestep beauty. 9 on their shot clock. Takes the free. And 2 threes already. This time he tries. Floats it up and in. Gonzalez. Sidestep free. Oh my goodness. Bola pasa kay Taiwan. Gonzalez. Will slam it down.
Oh, no.
Nice pass. Jeju with a two-hander.
Jason.
Rickman. Yes! Skip pass. Pagaran. Jump shot. Three-pointer. Pass to Uduba inside. Gets the basket. +5. Pagaran for free. Oh my goodness! Uduba inside. Puts it up. Puts it in.
Movement for the Huskers in this instance.
Yeah. Holding on to the head. Some chippiness.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!
Huskers still missing Judel Fuente. North Division champions begin with Jason Brickman, Mike Atkins, and equally mighty Abra Solid North Weaver squad. As now it's with LJ Gonzalez. 9 on their shot clock, takes the free, and a good sign for the Huskers as
And
Gonzalez.
LJ has done so well this playoffs is to see that beautiful pass by Jason Brickman over to Gio.
Na pinapakita nila dito sa ating liga.
At kadalasan napafoul sila, so siya good jumper right there by Dave Ildefonso. Kadalasan napafoul ito mga to how they played in the regular season to start that game. No struggle so far, even for Jason Brickman on that three.
Has shot the ball.
Wala ng second shot opportunities. We secure that rebound and run our side.
LJ with back-to-back triples.
Important for them to be really good at that because ito ang mga primary weapons nila offensively.
Brickman nakalusot, Mintes, pero nandoon si Jeo Chu to clean it up. He pushes.
Nice.
Oh, open in the lane. Santagon lays it up and in.
Well, you work on defensively against Jason. Oh, what a move!
Dami nilusutan ni AJ doon. Napasa niya kay Christian Pagaran who hit that big free late on that jumper.
That's
Now
a
it's
shot.
Abundo. He drives, lays it up and in with his left hand.
Well, you see how that paint
For Abra. Encho puts it on the deck. Spins, turns around and hits a jumper over RJ Minerva. Ganap na papasahan, pinuntahan si Santagon. Drop pass to RJ Minerva, lost it. Pagaran recovers, jump shot from the baseline, it's good.
he's one option that you can go to offensively and even defensively.
Quezon so far has been breaking down itong depensa nitong Abra. Another
They just keep on moving that ball, making that defense work.
Serrano backing down Abundo. Shot no good. The follow-up is in the first period. Eman Tagle. The pass to Minerva. Sandagon, the fake. Goes up strong. 2 points for Sandagon for a shot lock. Abundo. Pasa kay Minerva. Fires a free. And buries that one to give Quezon a 5-point. Serrano. Nice help defense by Will Gozom. The flip shot by Jason Brickman to beat the buzzer. So much more. And they have a golden opportunity tonight. Christian Pagaran in transition lays it up in kay LJ. Has hit 2 threes already. This time he drives, floats it up and in. And this is now the biggest lead for the Huskers at 7 points.
The way that this first game is first quarter or the first initial quarters are being run, they're relatively finding ease.
Quezon is ahead by 9, 28-19. Ildefonso will nail a free over Capanal. Nayon. Ildefonso pinapantayan ni Hierro. Puts up the free again and he scores!
Oh, wow. That was going to come. And he just let go that one-legged three way up bottom of the net.
Back-to-back free. Trouble early in game number 5. Ildefonso, one-legged shot. He's worked on that shot.
It's
Tired coming from this guy, Dave Ildefonso.
an almost very same shot attempt, you know. That off-leg understood coverages na, especially with that Binyan series.
Gonzalez na agaw yung bola. Pasa kay Taiwan. Gonzalez will slam it down to take the lead back for the Weavers.
Judel had a few MVP awards and rings with Coach Yong. Alam ko ang kapasidad ng mga yan. And he knows that when he plays, whether in game 2 or 3, it will be hard.
In one of these games. But right now, Abra, 12-0 run. 8 points from David Defonso. Switching things up. Baseline drive by Yero. The fake. The finish from Vince Magbuhos.
I like to think, so, hindi natin nakita yan dito sa second.
6 points from Jeochu. Meanwhile, more better than being just the South Division champions. But they have to find an answer for this guy, Mike Ione 5.
Well, just good execution by the Weavers right there in the same way, good ball movement for the Huskers in this instance. And the activity inside continues with the John Oduba going up against Vince. Vince looks hurt.
Yeah, holding on to the head. Some chippiness between Joseph Cabaini and Gio Chu that he is bound to return here in the finals. Ayun, sa
yeah.
pool.
That's a hit, the back of the head.
Yeah. Working on Gonzalez. Jason Brickman gets to his spot. High arcing shot from mid-range is good. Popping out. Uduba in front of him. Altamsi goes right at Jason Brickman. Lays it up and in. Pass broken up by Mike Ione.
Oh, no.
Nice pass! Jeju with a two-handed slam! Okay, born for greatness.
The pass that leads to that dunk by Jeju. Just very good read in open floor for the Weavers with that finish by Jeju.
Sinalpak. Dalawang kamay ni Jeju.
And it actually started on the defensive end of the floor. But Tamsi answers back with a 3. And mahalaga yan para sa Huskers na
Matino backing down Opiso. One-handed shot! Binisik lang ni Ryan Batino.
it's different dynamic altogether. When you have Alfred Batinos, you see a jumper right there by Christian Pagaran.
Humble team lost it. Ahead is Dave Ildefonso.
wow.
Sidestep beauty from Dave Ildefonso. Binabantayan ni Pagaran. Serrano working on Abundo. Turnaround shot is good for Encho Serrano. Pen to Encho. Serrano up and under move. Just breaking down the interior defense.
Alam niyang aatakihin niya kaagad yung depensa na yun. But how about again? Play after play after play. Gio Chu, especially as he partners with against the Raven, and Simon Sandagon just continues to
Cabaini. Pass to
pass.
Yero. Open for free. Umalog palabas at paloob ulit. Nice screen as well. Turns down the shot. Taiwan will not. And a good decision as he hits the free right back.
by Gio Chu against Vince.
Vince, the shot fake. He drives straight to the cup for 2 points.
How about that?
Gonzalez.
Good
Magbuhos, balik kay Gabaini. Turns down the shot. Now he settles for a free
Yes.
throw jumper. And that's exactly what Quezon needs.
Advantage for the Weavers only because doon sila pumupuntos ng marami. Pagaran with a 3
This guy has come out to play off the bench.
against that drive by Jason Brickman.
LJ getting past his defender. Lays it in with his left hand. Una kay Alvin Abundo. Back to Sandagon. He is free. He puts it up. He puts it in. Ildefonso wanted a charge. 64-59. Trying to steal one on the road. Altamsi sa loob. Recovers and scores. LJ bounce pass Cabaini.
This is big.
Pagaran has yet to miss. And that continues. 17 points.
To score.
Brickman stepping into a free. He cuts it down to 6, 69-63. Side is Hierro who drives. He loses it. Chance for Abra.
Jason.
Brickman. Yes! Marwin Taiwan. The pass to Uduma inside. Gets the basket. Plus a foul.
Still got time.
Gonzalez sidestep three. Oh my goodness. LJ Gonzalez. What a bone-crushing free. 9 seconds left on their shot clock. Taiwan drives, blocked by Sandagon. Uduma inside, puts it up, puts it in. Oh. LJ, Banal, Pagaran for free. Oh my goodness! Christian Pagaran! But they will review it.
Yeah, definitely they gotta review this. Ball in his hands.
He did not get it off.
Did not get it off. Did not get it off. That should be Weaver's ball.
Oh, Taiwan, Ildefonso for the win. No! And we are going into overtime. Pagaran and Gapanal. LJ puts on the Jets high
Oh,
off the
man.
glass and in.
Well, that middle lane.
Gonzalez working on Brickman, facing a double team. Skip pass, Pagaran. Jump shot. Three-pointer is good.
Ball action with Joseph Gabayni and LJ.
LJ settles for a free.
Oh, man.
LJ Gonzalez.
Dito sa ano, para dito sa Abra Weavers.
Ayon.
That's big.
Drains a free, cuts it down to 5.
Here we go again.
Balik kay Jason Brickman. Oh, what a pass. Uduma
Oh,
inside.
man.
He scores again. That was for Abra. 40 seconds left. Jason Brickman working on Simon Sandagon. Brickman drives, lays it up and in. How about Jason Brickman? Let's see what they come up with on possibly the last possession. Gonzalez making his move early for 3. No! Banal tried to grab the rebound.
They will review.
Abundo to trigger. Magbuwas is free. The fake. He drives. No! And Abra escapes with a win.
You don't like NBA basketball.